All right, in this video, I have a pair of sneakers that I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen reviews on at this point. But it is a beautiful pair and one of the best sneakers, in my opinion, of 2022. Even though it released this late, sometimes I feel like it's kind of not fair that new sneakers like this can just come along after we've seen sneakers the entire year, and then these ones show up and they're like, and everybody's like top 5 of the year. One of the best sneakers of the year. But at the end of the day, like, A Ma Maniére definitely delivers. There's the inside of the lid right here, and it does come out with the little hang tag that the other ones do that says A Ma Maniére on it. The box says violet or medium ash and black, and I did get a size 9 instead of a size 9.5. These fit me. I'll make them work. But a 9.5 would definitely have been ideal. Like, first impressions right out of the box, I mean, the colorway is nice. I mean, it's kind of an interesting color because it's almost like a truffle brown, sort of brown purpley hue to it, but done in a really nice way with some black accents as well as the cream midsole. I think they structured this thing really nice. If there was a couple things that I would have done a little bit different, I would have done maybe some more black accents or cream accents, even for that matter, through the midfoot of the shoe, because every single element on the upper is primarily that same sort of color, and then you do have the black back tab as well as a black in the midsole and then the cream in the midsole. But if they would have done some of the lace structures or the reverse side of the mesh in like the cream, I think it would have like popped off a lot better. And I only say that because the main tone of the upper is a little bit overbearing, but that is not to take away from the greatness of this shoe and what it delivers. So a couple words from A Ma Maniére about what they released. This moment is inspired by the black and brown leaders changing the world from the heart of their community with purpose, passion, and vision. Built on the value of consistent action being the only receipt for progress, a standard set by trailblazers committed to the tireless work generational change would take to be achieved. The A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 4 draws on the promise of youth to be a catalyst for change, standing up in the face of adversity and divisiveness, standing firm on our ethos of timelessness, on a silhouette renowned for its impact and significance across time. This moment serves to bring a generation together to form a better future with hope and bravery in the face of doubt and uncertainty. This is about where we're going in the future, depending on all of us. A Ma Maniére is definitely one of those companies that has a lot of information when it comes to their thought process in releasing a pair of sneakers. It's not just like, here's another colorway. There's like inspiration behind it, which I think is pretty cool. I don't think it's going to hit every single person and they're going to be like, I like the message behind the shoe. There's also like a beauty in the fact that it is just a leather and suede and like rubber pair of sneakers, and you could just look at this and go, I like the shoe. You don't have to know anything about the history behind it. I think some people, it's going to be icing on the cake. For other people, I don't think it's going to deter them from actually picking up the product. It's probably just enough of a subliminal message that they're not even going to know that they're getting something that has purpose. That being said, the upper of the shoe, nice material on here, although mine does have a little bit of a nick on the toe box right here, which is kind of a bummer to see. But it is what it is. The material seems nice. It does have the A flight on the tongue on one and the Jumpman flight on the other. And then it does have the Nike Air branding on the back. And then also underneath one of the tabs, it does say, it's not about the shoes, it's about where you're going. Michael Jordan. I like that quote. I think it looks really nice there, and just that's a simple detail that I think people can have a takeaway with and appreciate. Then you do have a little metal circle right here that actually has the A Ma Maniére logo in it. Also, the insole of the shoe does say A Ma Maniére, inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athlete in history. And then it says HO 2022 for the season and whatnot that is coming out. Again, the colorway is really nice with that purpley brown vibe to it. I like the quilted liner of the tongue, and then the collar of the shoe is very, very nice. Also, you do have a raw edge around the tongue and then the top part of the shoe. I like that they did that. It adds a nice little flair to the shoe. You also do have a quilted liner on the bottom of the insole as well. And then again, that midsole is probably the perfect complement to the upper. The only things that I would potentially change about the shoe, if I did anything, would be adding more cream hits to the accent parts of the upper. I think that would just tie in the shoe better and not make it so overwhelmingly like the purpley brown color. I think that would add a lot of flair, adding some black and some cream up here. Also, just the only other nitpick, having extra laces would have been a plus too, because cream laces on this would look super fire in my opinion as well. Maybe black laces, but having the other options would add a little bit of extra pop as well. But all in all, man, this is definitely one of the best sneaker releases of the year. I believe I put this one at top 4 of my top 10 list. If you guys want to go check out that video, go check out my channel. I think Lena had these as her 4th spot, and I had them in my 4th spot as well. My number 1 of the year, though, was the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 2s, which I do have as well. I have actually the 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. I would put the 4s up there, but it would go 3s number 1 spot for me, the Air Jordan 2s, A Ma Maniéres for the 2nd spot, and then I would go 4s, and then the ones for the last spot of the 4 collaborations that they did with Jordan Brand. The 12s would probably be after the ones even when those ones come out. But I do like what they're doing. I think that this is, again, a great representation of a collaboration with deeper thought, deeper meaning, but excellent execution of colorways. Leave a comment in the comment section, though. What do you guys think about the release? What do you guys think about the colorways and the model in general? I love the Air Jordan 4, and this one is a welcome addition to the sneaker wall in the collection. But I appreciate you all for stopping by and watching. If you guys want to buy a pair of these, I will link them to like eBay in the description. So hopefully that you guys can get them for a good price. Prices have been fluxing around that $400 range, but we'll leave it at that. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a good rest of the day. Hopefully we'll see you back for some more sneaker content soon. All right, peace, guys.